Blockchain. More and more people talk about it every day, even if most don't know much about it. While everyone seems to agree that its potential is endless, endlessness can also mean that no one really knows where to begin. The time has come to find a starting point. A place where people can exchange knowledge and where innovative ideas can become revolutionary enterprises. Chainwork provides such a place for everyone who wants to join. Eager entrepreneurs, interested investors, or simply anyone who is looking for good conversations in a relaxed atmosphere. Every visionary, from the fully fledged expert to the boldly curious, is invited to come to the Chainwork Hub and take part in countless events, such as hackathons, parties, or blockchain-related workshops. Because the next quantum leap can only be achieved if we get together and create a network of valuable shared information, just like the blockchain itself. Join the global community. Chainwork.